Sabi sa librong ito na Saving Your Future, may dalawang klase ng tao. Una is people who don't understand how money works, they end up working for money. Kaya pala dati kahit manager ako, trabaho lang ako ng trabaho, nag-overtime pa. Kahit bumabagyo, pumapasok. Pero wala pa ring progress sa aking personal finance. Kasi ang alam ko lang, magtrabaho para sa pera. So may pangalawa pala, people who understand how money works, they let money work for them. Kapag tayo ay may negosyo, may investment, yung pera na yung magtatrabaho para sa atin. And sabi nga, yung mga wealthy people pala, they spend time learning and understanding how money works. Pero, a lot of poor people lack knowledge about personal finance. Hindi tayo nagbibigay ng oras sa financial education. Some don't care to understand. Many have no plan and little savings. What savings they have are usually put into accounts with low rate of return. Ganyan din ako dati nung nagtatrabaho. Ang alam ko lang mag-save sa savings account. Their money doesn't work for them. Kaya importante magbigay tayo ng oras sa financial education. And to know more about savings and investment, message mo lang ako sa FB, Roan Celis Capistrano.